Let's say you have a worksheet like this that contains rows, columns of numbers, maybe some drawings and a chart, and you want a quick way to format everything all at once so that it looks consistent and unified, maybe looking like other documents that you have created in Word or PowerPoint, for example. Using a theme, you can apply consistent and professionally designed formatting to all the parts of your worksheet. Now, keep something in mind though. What themes cannot do is they can't read your mind. So you have to give this worksheet a bit of a head start by indicating where you want the formatting applied. And here's how we'll do it. Click anywhere inside this number area, and we're going to format this as a table. Don't worry too much about that. Over here in the Home tab, we want to go here under Styles, click Format as Table. Choose anything here. It doesn't really matter because we're going to change it in a bit. And what this is simply doing is saying, okay, this is where we're going to have a table. And a table has special meaning in Excel. And this guesses correctly where we have the data. You can see the marching ants. The table has headers checked because that's row 5, and that's great. Click OK. And we have these little drop downs. And don't even worry too much about what those are. What we'll do here is we're in the Table Tools section. In the Design tab, click over here where it says Convert to Range. Choose Yes. And now we have a regular worksheet again, and you could just deselect. Now let's apply some themes. Go over here to the Page Layout tab, and on the left side here in the Themes section, click Themes, and we have all of these different named themes. Roll over them, and you can see that your worksheet is changing, the Smart Art in the lower left is changing, the chart in the lower right is changing. I'm going to go over here to this Austin because that has kind of a green olivey sort of theme to it, but not quite. We want to change it a little bit. So go up here, still in the theme section, choose colors, and if you roll your mouse over any of these, you notice also that the numbers in the Smart Art and chart are changing. Well, let's say I don't want any one of these out of the box. I want to have my own custom colors. So down over here, choose Create New Theme Colors. Let's move this out of the way. And here we have a sample of how it's going to look. And we can change any of these. So maybe I want some of these greens to be a little darker, maybe a little bit more olivey in color. And instead of naming it Custom 1, let's select it and let's call it Olive Oil. And click Save. And now it's changed a little bit. Now let's say we decide we want to edit it some more. Go back up here to the color dropdown, and there's our olive oil. And right-click it, choose Edit, and we're right back where we were, and we can continue editing, applying green colors or whatever other color you like, and you can simply click Save and save the color over it. If there's a color palette that you don't like, let's click this here. Maybe we don't want this 2 trees. Right-click it and choose Delete, Confirm, and it's gone. While we're at it, let's change some of the fonts. Go up here and choose Fonts and roll over, and you see also you can change the fonts on your worksheet dynamically. I think this is a really great feature, and once you have a theme customized the way you like, remember that you could also use it in Word and PowerPoint, so all of your documents will have the same consistent, unified look and feel to them.